Good morning, everybody. I'm Jim Scott. Welcome back to the Weather Desk. And it's Thursday, December the 11th, 2025. And we're waking up to a very active in some places and dangerous map this morning. And hopefully you got your cup of coffee ready this morning. Well, if you're in the east, you're feeling the Arctic chill. And if you're in the northwest, you're watching the rivers rise. And if you're in the heartland, well, get ready for round two. I begin out west where the wet river is finally showing signs of weakening, but the damage is already done and could see some mudslides even. Take a look at the western part. There's more rain coming into the forecast area. And the immediate part of it we're tracking this morning is with the rivers rising. So you just want to be careful and watch out for your warnings in your different areas. And if you're waking up this morning, you may want to get the boat ready, I guess, huh? All right. And watch out for mudslides as well. I'm still tracking heavy rainfall across the western Washington this morning, with the immediate concern right now is the flooding. And the rivers are at the major crest today, potentially 3 to 5 feet above the record levels. And if you're in the low line areas, please be advised and watch your local weather forecast in that area. So you just want to be careful as you head out. Temperature out that way is 44 degrees and 100% rain. And you've already had over a half inch just recently. And the winds are out of the northwest at 6 miles per hour. So yeah, just be careful out there. This moisture is also pushing inland as it hits the cold air in the northern Rockies, and it's turning to heavy snow. And you're looking at over a foot of new snow in high country in Wyoming and Idaho today. So, yeah, if you got to be out and about, just be careful. Now, let's take a look. Also, the Clipper train that's rolling through the heartland. We have a new system diving out of Canada this morning. And the primary low is tracking right through the Dakotas and into Nebraska area. This is going to lay down a fresh band of moderate snow today, stretching from the northern plains right into the Ohio Valley tonight. And we aren't talking about feet of snow, but widespread between 3 to 6 inches, and the amounts are likely. But the bigger story might be the cold behind what's coming in. And with the wind chills at Minneapolis and Chicago and St. Louis, you're waking up. It feels like temperatures below zero this morning. And if you're waiting for the bus or the train this morning, cover up and bundle up. As danger of frostbite in minutes with this kind of cold, so you definitely want to be careful. Now shifting to the east, the cold air interacting with moisture is creating a serious situation in the mountains. You have an active blizzard warnings in effect this morning with the higher elevations of West Virginia and western Maryland. Winds are gusting up to 50 miles per hour along the ridges, and with heavy snowfall, and visibility is near zero. Been several reports of accidents, even one area where a snowplow hit a car. So definitely be careful if you've got to be out and about. We're looking at accumulation around 8 to 12 inches are possible along the western facing slopes. And if you travel through these mountain passes, conditions are dangerous, so definitely use caution. For the I-95 corridor, Washington, D.C. and Philly, and going into New York, it's cold and blustery for today. Highs will struggle to get out of the 30s, but you should stay mostly Dry, right? All right. Down south, the Atlantic or the Arctic air is on the move, and cold fronts sinking deep into the region. I am seeing wind chills dipping into the teens as far south as northern Alabama this morning. It's a shock to the system compared to last week. You'll see plenty of sunshine across the southeast today, but don't let fool you. Grab that jacket as you head out. So for your Thursday snapshot and what you're looking at, the northwest area, rain is easing, but major flooding is ongoing. And Midwest area, fresh snow from the Dakotas to Ohio with dangerous cold weather continues. And the east area, blizzard conditions in the Appalachians and a deep freeze for the big cities. I'm also watching another surge of even cold air moving in towards the weekend, so don't pack away the heavy gear just yet. Now, what we're looking at is scattered snow showers across the area this morning. Well, in between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Now, these snow showers have potential to produce heavy to quick snow areas, and with a few tenths of an inch, which produce slick spots and affect the morning commute. So if you got to be out this morning, definitely be careful. As you see coming in, we have the radar in motion. This is coming in towards Indianapolis area. Richmond, you have a few areas of snow showers in the Wayne County area, but not looking too bad as you head out this morning. I'm at a temperature of 27 degrees this morning, and the winds are out of the west at 10 miles per hour, and I do have some light snow in the area. So you just definitely want to be careful as you head out. Let's put this in active where we're at right now. Down south of Indianapolis, you got snow. Crawfordsville, you got snow in your area. So it's just in spots. So you just want to be careful. This quick moving clipper type system will produce accumulating the snow tonight and into Friday morning. Okay. Now, what we're looking at is a winter weather advisory is in effect for this system with around 2 to 4 inches of snow in the forecast. Then we'll see another system will bring accumulating snow Saturday into Saturday night, with a very cold air mass will filter into the region as the Arctic air settles into the Ohio Valley. Now, the wind chill values near or below zero will be likely Sunday going into Monday. Additional weather headlines are likely for Saturday with the snow and cold weather. But the good news is the winter grip looks to let up by the middle of next week, with the temperatures expected to warm above normal values, what we have been. All right, let's take a look at your forecast and what you can expect for this Thursday. Snow showers this morning, mostly cloudy with a high near 30 degrees. Wind's going to be out of the west at around 6 to 8 miles per hour. Looking at a 20% chance of snow today. And then moving into Thursday night, snow likely mainly between midnight and 3 a.m. Now, this could be heavy at times during the night. Cloudy with a low around 25. Winds will be calm, but they'll increase out of the southeast at around 5 miles per hour after midnight. And looking at a 70% chance of snow tonight. And I am showing between 1 to 3 inches possible during this system comes through tonight. Then as you wake up Friday morning, a chance of snow mainly between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. Mostly cloudy with a high near 32 degrees. Wind's going to be out of the east at around 6 miles per hour and becoming out of the north towards the afternoon. And chance of snow is 50%. New snow accumulation less than a half inch possible. And then moving into Friday night, what we're looking at, cloudy with a low around 18 degrees. Winds will be light out of the west and increasing to 5 to 9 miles per hour towards the evening. And wind could gust up to 20 miles per hour. Now, Saturday, snow likely, mainly after 1 p.m. during the afternoon. Cloudy conditions with a high near 22 degrees. Winds out of the northwest at 11 miles per hour. Chance of snow is 70%. And I'm looking at around 1 to 2 inches possible during the day on Saturday. Saturday night, chance of snow before 1 a.m. Mostly cloudy with a low around 3 below. Yes, that's right. I said 3 below. Oh, hey, chance of snow is 50%. And then moving into Sunday, we see the sun come out and cold with only a high of 9 above zero. So, yeah, if you got to get out Sunday on your way to church, whatever you need to do on Sunday, definitely bundle up and cover all the exposed skin. Winds will be out of the northwest at 11 miles per hour, so it's going to be really cold as you head out. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a low around 1 below zero. And Monday, mostly sunny with a high near 21 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at 11 miles per hour. And Monday night, looking at partly cloudy skies with a low around 13 degrees. Hey, thanks for watching and keeping up with the weather desk. And if you're new to the channel here in Indiana, be sure to join me on Jim Scott's Weather Desk on Facebook and also on YouTube. And on my Facebook page, I do weather updates to keep my Indiana folks informed. So be sure to join me for updates there on Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay tuned, stay safe out there. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.